bona. So ithi bantu bakithi buphi ubuyithi, our true identity. Asiwona lamangisi ngikhulumela kini bazenzisi. I mean these fakers. We ain't got cloud sitting and talking about rainmakers in Shama Osana. We ain't Americans, we true Africans. I see this westernization here is muted in my mind. Now we are on a standby. Can you tell me, you brought up the recipe from Kanga for I never thought an African meal can have a dessert. Then why should we desert our own origins? I am sick and tired of these fake women with fake nails and fake complexion for they're trying to look as beautiful as Rihanna. Yet, who has such virtuous women as Mama Mafuyane. Yet we have such virtuous women as Queen Oskay Dlodlo, ikhawekazi lendlovukazi, okwathi mhlazana bensundu bephakanyelwa ngabelungu, wema owesifazana kungomhlelo, wathi mntana ehlabe ezulu dobha ihloko ihlomi ihlasele. Yet women of nowadays are valueless. Mbokodo baningi lasisindo, only good for the social media ukuphozela amaphiki says. Bafazi lingangikwatela ngithi yini insika yezwe yebo baba inhloko kodwa umfazi likhaya ntanda nenhle ngumakhotha ngunina zoba yini ingane zokondla ngoSlay Queen noSissy Boy sekuba namadoda kozala amadojeyana angam yemalabo right.